Experiencing no bars on Optimum Mobile can be frustrating. Let's understand what this means and how to address it. Optimum Mobile operates as an MVNO, utilizing Verizon's network infrastructure. This means your signal strength depends on Verizon's coverage in your area. When you see no bars, it indicates a weak or non-existent connection to Verizon's towers. The first step is to determine if the issue is widespread or localized. Use the Optimum Mobile app version 4.2.1 or later for real-time signal diagnostics, which can help pinpoint tower locations and report issues. Also, check Verizon's coverage map via Optimum's website, optimum.com/coverage, to confirm coverage in your location. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device to force a network reconnection. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Ensure your SIM card, eSIM or physical, is properly activated through the Optimum Mobile app. Weak signal can also result from physical barriers like buildings, hills, or weather, and network congestion during peak hours. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the no bars issue, consider more advanced techniques. Enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings to route calls and texts over Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. Use diagnostic tools like Android's Network Cell Info or iOS's Field Test Mode 3345 to view signal metrics such as RSRP. If signal strength measured in dBm is consistently below 9 is 100 dBm, a signal booster might be necessary. Ensure any booster you use is FCC certified to avoid network interference and fines. Consider options like the SureCall Fusion 2Go or Wilson Electronics boosters. In rural areas, a directional antenna can improve LTE signal reception. Keep in mind that by 2026, 6G trials could greatly enhance network performance. Always prioritize software updates, as Altis releases firmware updates to improve signal stability. If problems persist, contact Optimum Mobile support or explore switching carriers.